Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to fix Ring Chime flashing blue light. So let's get started and welcome to the channel. So first, check Wi-Fi connection. The flashing blue light usually means your Ring Chime is in setup mode or reconnecting. Always make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly and the signal is strong. You can also do power cycle. For this, unplug the Ring Chime for 10 seconds, then plug it back in to restart it. If it does not work, then reset the device. If it's still flashing, press and hold the reset button on the side for 15 seconds until it restarts. This will restore it to factory settings. If you want to reconnect in Ring application, then open the Ring application and here choose devices, then select Chime, then follow the steps to reconnect it to Wi-Fi. During setup, keep the chime near your router and double check you are entering the correct Wi-Fi password. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.